Hello everyone, my name is Sanjana. I am a student of BPT second year from Rajiv Gandhi Paramedical Institute. Today is 20th of October 2024. Today is the World Osteoporosis Day. The theme of the World Osteoporosis Day 2024 focuses on the need to take actions for osteoporosis and fractures preventions by taking some preventive steps against it. First, we are talking about what is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is the condition in which the bones become weaker and porous. As a result, mere pressure can easily break them. Hip, wrist, spine, bones mostly prone to fracture in osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a bone disease that mostly affect people in their later years. Most important factor is how well your bone grow as a adult. Our bones mostly made up of calcium and phosphate. If the level of calcium increases, the risk of developing osteoporosis decreases and the bones will become more stronger. बोन्स को बनाने में और तोड़ने में टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेल्स का मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल होता है. फर्स्ट वन इज osteoblast and second one is osteoclast. Osteoblasts are responsible for increasing bone mass and osteoclasts are responsible for bone mass loss. Actually, osteoclast delivers calcium to the bloodstream by breaking down of bones so that the level of calcium remains normal. If the level of calcium remains consistent, the risk of the developing of osteoporosis reduces. Throughout the life, the process of bone formation and breakdown continues. But after the 30 years, the process of bone formation gets slower. The bone breakdown ratio increases, causes the bone to weaken. That is, if you eat well during the period of bone formation, your bone mass will be greater. Osteoporosis is also called a silent disease because the people may not have seen any sign or symptoms until a bone break. Once the patient has developed osteoporosis, kyphosis and back pain may occur. की बात करें तो वेट बेरिंग एक्सरसाइजेज, एस्ट्रोजन रिप्लेसमेंट थेरेपी और also vitamin K is essential for calcium utilization. Medication NSAIDs are prescribed to control back pain. इसके diagnosis की बात करें, radiographs, the bones of the patient with osteoporosis appear. Second is DEXA, dual energy X-ray absorptiometry is used to assess loss of bone density. DEXA is reported as T-score. For osteoporosis, T-score of -2.5 or below. Now, the risk factors of osteoporosis includes age, body shape, medications such as corticosteroids or epilepsy medicines can also increase the risk of osteoporosis. Consumption of alcohol, tobacco, smoking can also increase the risk of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is more common in women than men. Low intake of calcium and vitamin D also increase the risk of osteoporosis. Family history. If the parent has osteoporosis, the risk may be higher. Thank you.